Well, what an exciting day. Inta energy asalu. Let me know, how did you get this energy from? Because we have seen so many actors and he is full of energy. I can just tell you one thing. అనగనగా ఒక రాజు ఇప్పుడు ఒక రాజు కానీ అనగనగా ఒక సివిల్ ఇంజనీర్ who had been to London, but then finally he understood that his dreams are none other than in our Tollywood, and then he decided to come here, work for himself. It's not easy, believe me, unless until you don't have a godfather in this, especially the movie industry. It is very difficult, extremely difficult. I know how many people will try to pull you down rather than helping you. Forget about godfather. So with all these odds, with all the sleepless nights what he had, and most importantly when the parents were not supportive, still he proved he believed in himself, and he proved that today, yes, even a normal person can be an actor. I think he gives a lot of inspiration to the boys, and of course let us not forget the very beautiful Meenakshi. When I need to tell something very much about her. 1 minute of, I have to give this to her, that Meenakshi, when I saw her in the movie Sankranti ki Ostunamani, it was in last January Sankranti, right? 2025 January, and she blew our mind. I'm telling you, the way she was performing, the way she was fit and fine, you were opt for the role, ma'am, and I was a fan of that movie, and so is you. Right from Chichore to Jati Ratnalu to Agent Sai, everywhere. I can just compare. Ippudu mi andarki Rajkumar Rao garu telusa? You know Rajkumar from Bollywood? We all see his movie because he is very simple, down to earth, very heart touching, very like next door boy laga untaru. Avuna kada? I feel he is Rajkumar Rao of our Tollywood industry, and usually these people, any movie they do, they always create their impression in the society, and that's what you've been doing, sir, and I feel privileged. And you have done one best thing I would like to tell you. You have chosen our Mallareddy Engineering College for women to celebrate your birthday. Asalu okkati undi inka meeru ee frame petteskunnaru. After this frame, once we go down, మా campus లో కూడా ఒక హీరో ఉన్నారు. ఆ హీరో, how can I forget my father-in-law? You tell me. He is my father. So for me, ఈ రోజు నా ఏవి బెటర్ ఏమో కానీ నెక్స్ట్ టైం నేను చెప్తున్నాను, ఫస్ట్ మల్లారెడ్డి గారు వీడియో, అంటే ఆయన వీడియో చూపించకుండా ఆయన ఏఐ వీడియో అసలు మీరు చూడలే. హీ ఈజ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్. మా మామయ్య గారి గురించి చెప్పాలంటే, నాట్ ఓన్లీ యాక్టర్, ఈజ్ అ ప్రొడ్యూసర్, ఈజ్ అ స్క్రిప్ట్ రైటర్, ఈజ్ అ డైరెక్టర్, ఈజ్ అ యాక్టర్, ఈజ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇన్ అవర్ క్యాంపస్. సో విత్ దిస్ నోట్, and he has especially told, he has asked you to please give regards to you and his gratitude towards you. He wants to say thank you from his bottom of his heart to choose our campus to celebrate your birthday. So thank you so much. Thank you
అండి. నాకు మల్లారెడ్డి గారు ఈ 10 కాలేజ్లో ఒక 2 కాలేజ్ రాసిస్తున్నారని కూడా చెప్పారు. నేను డెఫినెట్గా వీళ్ళందరూ ప్రేమ కోసం వచ్చాను, బట్ ఆ 2 కాలేజ్ల మ్యాటర్ కూడా మల్లారెడ్డి గారు మీరు చూస్తుంటే నాకు తర్వాత నేను వస్తాను ఆఫీస్కి.
కాదు, నేను మీరు ఒక్కొక్క ఫ్యాకల్టీతో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతుంటే అనుకున్నా, సార్ ఒక్కవేళ మా దగ్గర ప్రొఫెసర్ కానీ హెచ్ఓడి కానీ జాయిన్ అయితే అందరూ అసలు ఐ టెల్ యూ, అంటే ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ జోకింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. ఐ నో you might buy one of our colleges also, but still if you are there in our campus, I think everyone will be so entertained and so this thing. You are a complete package. Absolutely a package. And I am today, see, everyone knows that I come from Pune and I'm a Kannadigan, but today,
really?
Yes, I totally feel
dagala lagli gada pani dem gada जेवलास का तुम्ही?
हो जेवला. हो नक्कीच जेवला. तुम्ही पण जेवला का?
माझं नाव नवीन आहे.
कसं काय माहिती मराठी? Well, I'll not bore you guys.
తర్వాత సబ్‌టైటిల్స్ చేస్తాంలే.
Well, anyways, thank you so much, and I wish you a very happy birthday, and maybe you see us again on your birthday too. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. హ్యూజ్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాస్ ఫర్ ప్రీతి గారు.